Welcome to the Ambulance Orientation Virtual Learning Experience. Here, you will have the opportunity to learn the names and locations of ambulance supplies and equipment through free exploration and seek and find challenges. To begin, choose the semester from the drop-down menu and then choose a level. In Explore All, you can freely roam around the ambulance to familiarize yourself with the names and locations of ambulance equipment and supplies. To open cabinets and bags, click on the compartments to reveal the contents. Click on the items to reveal more information. Track your progress by referring to the checklist on the right-hand side. Note that you may open any checklist by selecting the arrow. If you leave the experience before you find everything, your progress will be saved. When all the equipment is found, this level will be shown as complete. In the Seek and Find levels, you will put your equipment location knowledge to the test. First, select a level, and then select a scenario to review the dispatch call and begin your challenge. In Seek and Find Level 1, you are challenged to find the necessary items for that scenario at your own pace. There is no time limit, and you can access unlimited hints by selecting the light bulb icon. When you select an item, you will receive feedback about your choice. Correct choices will be checked off on your progress list. When all the listed equipment is found, this scenario will be shown as complete. In Seek and Find Level 2, you are challenged to find all the equipment before a countdown timer runs out. When all the listed equipment is found within the time limit, this scenario will be shown as complete. Finally, in Seek and Find Level 3, you are challenged to find the required equipment without a provided list and within a time limit. The items you select will be added to the checklist. When you are confident that you have the equipment you need for the scenario, select Submit List to review your results. Depending on your results, you may choose to try again, or you may be marked as complete. In the timed scenarios in Levels 2 and 3, your personal best score is recorded. Challenge yourself to beat your best time by replaying the scenario. To get your best score, you're going to need to know how to navigate the experience. To move around the outside of the ambulance, use your mouse to left-click on the ground targets. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse to pan around the scene. You can pan around the inside of the ambulance using that same hold and drag move. Select a compartment to move towards it. Note that you are not able to select ground targets while inside a compartment. To close pop-up windows, select the X button or simply click outside the box. To exit compartments, select the back button on the top left side of the screen. To return to the menu, select the Home button. The Gear button is a settings menu that provides options to adjust sound, camera sensitivity, and the environment. Note that the environment setting is best used on higher power computers. For an optimal experience, we recommend playing with a keyboard and mouse. This experience does not work on a tablet or phone. Overall, we hope that this virtual learning experience provides you with the knowledge and practice you need to feel prepared for locating items in an ambulance. Good luck!